guys, I'm back with another weekly Bible lesson after being sick, and today we're going to be talking about what true love really means. The dictionary describes love as a feeling of affection for a person or thing. Some people substitute real love with conditional love. It's because of the conditions, how much you love that person or thing. But it's really more. From a Christian standpoint, love is not just a feeling, but a lifestyle. Love is just not how about you feel, but it's also about what you do for others and what you do to help them. 2 Corinthians 13:4-5 says, "Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, and it is not proud. It does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, and it keeps no record of wrongs." God's love for us is not temporary. It's unconditional, and no matter what the circumstances are or what you've done, He will still love you no matter what. We were still sinners when Christ died for us. We did not pledge to do anything in return, but He truly loves us, so He did it anyway. Without God, there would be no love, because God is the definition of love. Many people do not even know what true love really is, so why don't you show them? Hey guys, that's going to wrap up today's episode. I'll see you next Sunday. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you want me to do better. Peace!